In order to import contacts from Gmail to Android phone, so first of all, open up your contacts. Now tap on the organize right here. Now scroll down and press import to file. So now choose your Google account and find your contacts. So there it is, and as you see, we've got the message that the contacts will be imported shortly. You can see the list of the imported contacts like right here. Just give it a little bit of time. If you don't have this option, you can do it through the web version of this application. So it's basically open up your Gmail, tap on your account icon, tap on your Google account. Now choose your people and sharing, find your contacts, and there is your web version. So it's pretty much the same, just you have to do it right here, and you'll have to press import and select a file from your phone. So it's basically the same process. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.